Hello, welcome to SM Tech World. Today we are going to solve day 14 of July Lead Code Challenge. Today's problem is angle between hands of a clock. So basically, if you read the problem statement, they are saying that you will be given two input hours and minutes, and you need to calculate the smaller angle, and you need to return that. So and you need to calculate the angle between hour hand and the minute hand, right? So if you plot the input, suppose they are saying that it's 12 and 30, right? So hour is 12 and minute is 30. So if you plot that in a clock, it will look like this, right? So you can, if you look it properly, then you can see that there can be two angle. This will be one angle, right? So in this rotation, and there can be another angle in this rotation also, right? So you need to calculate both, and you need to return the smallest one. Okay, so that is the meaning the smallest, right? So let's solve it using Java today. So let's discuss about the approach first, how we can solve this. So if you think the whole clock, right? So what we are going to do, we are going to calculate the angle separately. I will take 12 as the base, and I will calculate the angle for hour hands, and then again I will calculate the angle for the minutes hand also, right? So if you look at the clock, so you can see that it's a total 360-degree angle, right? So whenever I am going to calculate my minutes hand angle, so how we can calculate it? We know that's a totally 360, and if I start from here and my minutes and move like this, and again whenever I will reach in 12, that will complete 160 minutes, right? Okay. So you can say that, so for each minute it will look like this, right? 360 by 60, so it is 6 degree. So that means, what that this means, that means, so suppose your base is 12 and your minute hand is here, then it's creating a total 30, right? In between we have 5, so 5 into 6, total 30-degree angle, right, in this case. Similarly for hour, so for the hour ends, if your hour ends, probably you can think that 12 as the base, and your hour hand is now at 1, so it's complete total 1 hour, right? That means it's total complete 1 hour. So here we have total 5 minutes, right? So 5 into 6, that means 30. So if your our hand is at 1, then that will again create that 30-degree angle, right? Okay, let's write the logic, and I will explain it further also, if required. So at first, as I told you, I am going to calculate the minute angle, right? M angles probably. I will name it as M angle. Then how I am going to calculate it? I am just going to minutes into 6, right? So each minutes equal to 6 degree. I already show you the calculation. So total is 360 by 60 is equal to 6 only. Okay, fine. Now I need to calculate the same for the hour and also, right? So how we are going to calculate that? So since we are taking the base of 12, so it can be like 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, like that, but we are taking the base for 12 only, right? So it should be like this: hour percentage 12. Okay, then each 1 hour can take 30 degree, can create 30-degree angle, so that I will multiply it with 30. This is not the end. Now the tricky portion come. So suppose your clock is like this, right? Probably, yeah, at first look at the 12:30. So it's not, so if my hour is 12, then I am doing it with 12 percentage 12. That means remainder is 0. In this case, I need to, so in this case it's less than 1 hour, right? So I need to calculate the in between hour. So actually our clock is here, so I need to calculate this portion, right? So how we can calculate this portion, right? So that is the question, right? So it will look like this: minutes into 0.5. Okay, why 0.5? Yeah, so why 0.5? Because if you check, like, so suppose your clock is here, and if you reach is at 1, right? So that means you completed 60 degree, sorry, 60 minutes row. And so in between, so that will be 60 by, so that's total 30 angle, right? So suppose your clock is 12, and your base is 12, and your hour end is 1. That means, so if it will be what, 1, then that will create a 30-degree angle, right? And the total minute is 60, so it should be 0.5. So how it is? Let me write the logic here also. So in 60 minutes the angle is 30 degree, right? So similarly we can do it like this. For 1 minute it will should be 60, for 1 degree it will should be 30 by 60, right? So that will make you 0.5. Okay, so that is the logic. We are done with that. So this is the main logic we need to calculate. Then again I need to just calculate the difference between it. So we need to take the absolute value here. So it probably m angle minus h angle, and whatever the value is I am going to return that, right? So it should be math of mean, and it should be math of mean, and it should be, let me name it that R. So it will look like this, R or 360 minus R. Okay, so why we are doing 360 minus R? Because it can be, as I already said, it can be two angle, right? So you need to always take the smaller one. So we are taking the minimum. Let me submit the answer and check whether it's accepted or not. Yeah, it's accepted. Let's check our time complexity also for the same. Yeah, you can see it's beating the 100% Java submission. That's pretty much for this video. And if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.